ring debugger process. Logs are fed into the log deck for the debugging process where the bugs are removed and transferred to the boiler for fuel, while field logs are transferred further for scanning process. Scanner process. Once the logs are debugged, they are scanned through the 2D scanner where the log diameter and lengths are verified. Once the log criteria are met, the logs are then transferred to the 3D scanner. Logs that do not meet the standards are rejected from the reject deck, then transferred to rejected yard for further verification and resorting before reprocessing. As the log moves to the 3D scanner, it is scanned by 3 laser heads where a 3D image is given to the computer system. This computer system computes the best solution in terms of recovery and value for each log. The system determines the different sizes to be cut by different machines. The system also computes the volume of timber, wood chips, sawdust, and recovery of logs during the process. Primary breakdown line. After scanning the log, moves to the primary breakdown line of machines with a log tenor, chipper canter, and quad bend saw. The logs are first turned to determine by the log scanner, reduced on the size by the primary chipper canter, and a maximum of 4 slabs are produced by the quad bend saw. Scanned blocks are transferred to the secondary line while the slabs are transferred to the kinetic edge line, where they are scanned to determine the highest recovery of the boards before processing through the kinetic edge. The kinetic edge has a maximum board processing capacity of 170 boards per minute. All boards are then transferred to the outfit deck, while the rejected slabs are transferred to the 53 chipper to be processed for wood chip. Secondary processing line. In the secondary processing line, the canned blocks are transferred further processed to the secondary chipper canter, where cans are cut into a uniform rectangular block before they are processed through the multi-saw. All wood chip produced from the primary and secondary chipper canters are transferred to chip screens for screening before they are transferred into chip bin. All timber generated from the multi-saws are transferred to the outfit deck. Sorting deck. In the sorting deck, timber is sorted for defects. If they do not meet the standards, then they are transferred back for reprocessing.
when it comes to timber, choose quality, guaranteed, Tropik timber.